Yeah. That's the I'm gonna say this is the rear. Or is this the front valley cover? I don't know. But as y'all know, on the valley cover, I didn't have any bolts, so I got these from ICT Billet. So got that, and hold on a second. Yeah, I got some more stuff. A bit, so as you see, do you see a bumper? What's good, everybody, man? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all see, yeah, it's been a minute since I had uploaded, and that's on me. I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the camera when I told y'all that I was gonna be doing a bunch of the videos on the progress of the LS swap. Well, as you see, I'm inside the garage. One of my buddies told me that I had to move the truck into the garage. It's safer, it's flatter, so it's in the garage. Old lady, she ain't, she like, when are you gonna get it done? Now, instead of when it was sitting outside. But today I'm just gonna be showing y'all what I've been doing, some of the stuff that I done bought for the motor. I've been working and buying stuff, so, and I've been tweaking with the little 350, not 305. This is not a 305. It's a 350. But I'm gonna let y'all see what I've been doing. This is, taking this stuff. I had to put back the wires back on it to move the truck in here, because I was not finna push no heavy truck down the hill to try to turn it around. And yeah, plugged everything back up, backed it up in here. Now it's in the garage. So this is where we at now. Yeah, took the hood off, and I've been wrenching, man. That's what I've been doing. I done took, everything is unplugged. I unplugged the ground, everything. I took the accessories off to make it a little bit easier. I had used the old radiator just to throw up in here. I didn't want to plug everything back into the aluminum one. So I put the old one up in here. I'm gonna be redoing all the wiring and stuff, making it look a little bit neater. And yes, sir. My next thing, gonna be taking the distributor cap off. The wires, spark plugs out. I don't know about those manifolds. Man, I done sprayed some PVC blaster on it and everything, and man, the mugs there is not really coming apart, and I'm kind of scared that it's gonna break off into the block. So I'm thinking about just cutting the pipe and just pulling it out with the manifolds on there. Y'all let me know. Is it another way that I could get the manifolds off without breaking them bolts off in there? Buddy at work said heat. So, but I don't want to throw no heat unless it's out the truck. But that's currently where I'm at. Yeah. I'm gonna keep the AC. I got that moved to the side. I got the bracket and stuff. I'm finna show y'all what I've been getting. And yeah. And update. LS is painted. I got the new cover. I'm gonna keep the same oil pan. I got the new back rear with the new seal already in it. You know, just day by day. I'm gonna take this out, get it all cleaned up, make sure everything is straight, and yeah, this is this is what I've been doing. New water pump. Got tensioner, bracket for the AC, new bolts for something else. Oh, and the stuff for the water pump. Got the gasket for the intake. Man, I've been getting some of this stuff coming out, man. Oh snap! Hold up. Yes, sir. I know you see it. Dirty Dingo motor mounts, boy. Yes, sir. Man, I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. But like I said, man, wife, she helped me with the hood, trying to get that mug off. It was alright. That's the old stuff. The power steering. Now that water pump is new. I just bought that not too long ago. So that's a new water pump. Somebody want it? Man, just give me about, I don't know. But that's a new water pump. I had put it on here, and when did I? God dang it, man! When did I put that on there? Cause man, that mug is not old at all. That mug is probably about running. It was on the truck for probably about 2 months. 2 months, and then now I'm taking it back off. So, but yeah, I know it's dark. I only got a little bit of light, but the next video I will be taking all the hoses, radiator. I'll be taking all the stuff in the back, distributor cap, and that's a new distributor cap too. That's a new distributor cap, man. The truck was messed up. There was a video on it when they put it in. Yeah. I know y'all probably won't be able to see it, but yeah. All right, there we go. All right. That distributor cap is new, and the spark plug wires. I want to say the spark plugs as well. I probably should have did it like this from the jump, but my bad, y'all. Man, look, man, I just got off from work, man, so I'm just trying to put a video up there real quick on what has been going on. I haven't fell off anything. I just been doing a lot of behind the scenes stuff. So, yeah, I was catching all the water with that. That's why I put that gasket stuff. Ugh. But anyway, this the motor. It's just a 350 board, 30 over, I believe. And yeah, I took spark plugs. Y'all can see, man. Come on, that don't even look old. Spark plugs, good. Everything on the block was good, man. I was just slowly replacing stuff. And to get this, I gotta go and get the thing from O'Reilly's, so I could pull this up so I can get the fuel lines off. Yeah, sure. But yeah, everything's it's going. You know what I'm saying? It's going. So I'm a little bit more happy. Like I said, the LS, that mug there is painted. I want it to go a different color. I know everybody, they go black, red, what is it, orange? Yeah. But yeah. Yes, sir. I can't wait, y'all. Can't wait. But yeah, that's just an update of what's been going on, y'all. Now that I got the hood off, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm thinking about ordering a cow hood. What do y'all think? Cow hood or keep that mug OG, the OG hood? Yeah, might keep the OG, man. Keep with that sleeper look. That's the intake gasket. That's something else. But yeah, y'all, that's just what I've been doing. Working and working. So next couple videos will be me, getting this thing on up, and hopefully after I'm shooting for this weekend coming up to go ahead and take this thing out. And I got some other stuff. I gotta get a Mellon high flow oil pump. Once I get that and a flex plate for the back, I think I'll be able to go ahead and drop this mug up in here. And man, once I drop it up in there, man, well, shit finna get serious. But y'all, that's just a little update, y'all. I'm working hard. I'm working hard on this, trying to get this thing up out of here. And we gonna be up there in the streets. But look, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. And to the next one.